Hi everybody. I just wanted to do a very quick little update on the file folder junk journal. This is my planner type junk journal, and I carry it around all the time, and I was having trouble because my pens did not want to stay in the pocket. They just wanted to fall out. And if I put them up here where they clipped on, then when I closed up my journal, they stuck out the top. And I just didn't like that. So, went back in and I added a little pin strap. It's no biggie, but it just holds the pens and pencils in place so that when it's all closed up, they don't stick out the top, and yet they don't fall out. So I just wanted to show you what I did and how I did it. And it just so happens that I haven't finished this one up yet, so it will work real well. This is one of the ones I made in the file folder junk journal tutorial, and I will put a link to that down there. I just took a piece of the file folder card, one of the pieces that was left over, and I wrapped a little washi tape around it, and then I'm going to cut it to the length I want. And I wanted it just to fit the back, the flap that comes over the top. I mean, you could put it in the back if you wanted to, right here, but that would mean you were writing on top of your pieces. So I'm just going to cut it. And then I'm going to use a little glue and glue it in. Oh, I did take this piece of card and wrap a little washi tape around the edges. I figured the pin is going to rub on the edges quite a bit. It might need some reinforcing. So I'm just going to put a little glue on here. And attach it. And hold it in place. You can use a paper clip or anything to hold it in place. This one is just going to weigh it down. And then you want to let the glue dry, of course. Now, if you don't have a sewing machine, you could just glue it in. But I went back, and with the sewing machine, I stitched over it. But then I've stitched quite a bit on this. So now the pens and pencils and things, here's even a pencil, will stay in place in your journal and shouldn't fall out. So that's just a very quick little thing that I updated the file folder junk journal cover information. If you want the tutorial, I will put a link to the tutorial on how I made these covers and how I made the junk journals. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks everybody. Have a great afternoon.